Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
And daily updates. Question number 26. Which is the most practical fluid for the Rankine cycle? A. Fuel. B. Air. C. Air fuel mixture. D. Water. D. Water. Rankine cycle works working fluid water. Question number 27. Boilers in the Rankine cycle are used to allow the expansion of the steam. B. To store working fluid. C. For steam generation. To maintain the heat in the process. For steam generation, boiler is used for the steam generation. The working cycle is an ideal cycle for vapor power plants because A. It does not allow isentropic expansion. B. Steam is not condensed in the condenser. C. It includes reversible process. D. Water enters the pump at the unsaturated state. C. It includes the reversible process. Question number 29. Which of the following is not a part of the Rankine cycle? A. Compressor. B. Turbine. C. Pump. D. Boiler. A. Compressor. Compressor is not part of the Rankine cycle. কম্প্রেসারের পরিবর্তে পাম্প ইউজ করা হয়। Question number 30. The efficiency of the superheated Rankine cycle is higher than that of simple Rankine cycle because A. Enthalpy of the main steam is higher for the superheated cycle. B. The mean temperature of heat addition is higher for the superheated cycle. C. The temperature of steam in condenser is high. B. The quality of the steam in low condenser is low. B. The mean temperature of heat addition is higher for the superheated cycle. Question number 31. Consider the actual regenerative Rankine cycle with one open feed water. Okay. For the each kg of the steam entering the turbine, m kg of the steam of the specific enthalpy H1 and the bleed from the turbine and the specific enthalpy of the liquid water H2. Then H3. Specify the enthalpy of the saturated liquid leaving the heater is equal to A. M H1 minus H2 minus H1. B. H1 minus M H2 minus H1. C. H2 minus M H2 minus H1. D. M H2 minus H2 minus H1. Liquid water enthalpy entering H2 okay minus enthalpy ब्लीडिंग करा हुआ है H1 ओके H1 माइनस हो जाएगा मास में जितना मास है उसमें से दिस इज द राइट ऑप्शन सी. Question number 32. For a given set of operating pressure limit of Rankine cycle, the highest efficiency occurs for A. Saturated cycle. B. Superheated cycle. C. Reheat cycle. D. Regenerative cycle. D. Regenerative cycle. Question number 33. The main advantage of the reheat Rankine cycle is A. Reduce moisture quantity in the low pressure side of the turbine. B. Increased efficiency. C. Reduce load on the condenser. D. Reduce load on the pump. Main advantage is reduce moisture content in low pressure side of the turbine. Question number 34. In an ideal steam power cycle with the same inlet pressure, the low dryness fraction of steam in the last stage of the expansion process can be A. Providing regeneration. B. Providing reheating. C. Reduce superheat. D. Lowering condenser pressure. B. Providing reheating. Question number 35. During which of the following process does the heat rejection takes place in Carnot vapor cycle? A. Constant volume. B. Constant pressure. C. Constant temperature. D. Constant entropy. Heat rejection in constant pressure. Also heat addition with constant pressure. सॉरी कार्नोट साइकिल बोला है ना. कार्नोट साइकिल के लिए तो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर, कार्नोट साइकिल में तो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर होता है. ऑप्शन सी. मैंने रैनकाइन ले लिया. रैनकाइन में कांस्टेंट प्रेशर होता है. Question number 36. The reheat cycle in steam power plant is employed mainly to A. Improve thermal efficiency. B. Recover waste heat from boiler. C. Improve the steam quality at the turbine exit. D. Reduce the condenser heat loss in the plant. C. Improve the steam quality at the turbine exit. Question number 37. If the thermal efficiency of the mercury and the steam cycle are respectively N1 and the N2, then the overall efficiency of a binary cycle can be expressed by N1 plus N2 minus N1 N2, B efficiency of 1 plus efficiency of 2 plus efficiency 1 and efficiency 2, C efficiency 1 minus efficiency 2, D efficiency 1 plus efficiency 2. A. Efficiency 1 plus efficiency 2 minus efficiency 1 into efficiency 2. 38. Number question. Rankine cycle efficiency is dash than the Carnot cycle efficiency if both work under the same operating temperatures. A. Less. B. Can be less or more. C. More. D. Same. Rankine cycle efficiency is less. Carnot cycle efficiency is always more. This is the theoretical ideal cycle. Question number 39. In a good steam power plant, the Rankine cycle efficiency is the range of. Repeated question, okay? Note it. Question number A 15 to 25%, B 65 to 75%, C 35 to 45%, D 75 to 85%, C 35 to 45%. Which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to a reheat cycle? A. Steam rate increases. B. Net work done increases. C. Turbine work increases. D. Work ratio increases. A. Steam rate increases. रीहीटिंग में स्टीम रेट इंक्रीज नहीं होता है और ये तीनों करेक्ट है. Dash is process is not involved in the Rankine cycle. A. Constant pressure heat addition. B. Isentropic compression. C. Isentropic expansion. Constant volume heat addition. D. Constant volume heat addition. Rankine cycle constant pressure heat addition होता है. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 42. Which of the following statement is true? A. Rankine efficiency is higher than the Carnot efficiency. B. Rankine efficiency is lower than the Carnot efficiency. C. Rankine efficiency is cannot be compared with the Carnot efficiency. D. Rankine efficiency is equal to Carnot efficiency. B. Rankine efficiency is lower than Carnot efficiency. Question number 43. In a regenerative Rankine cycle, the steam extracted from the steam turbine is used to A. Preheat the combustion air. B. Preheat the fuel. C. Preheat the boiler feed water. D. Reheat the steam. Regenerative में preheat the boiler feed water economizer. Question number 44. The process of the draining the steam for the heating the feed water known as A. Cooling. B. Bleeding. C. Reheating of the steam. D. Governing. B. Bleeding. Question number 45. What happens on the bleeding system to reheat feed water to the boiler? A. Does not affect the thermal efficiency of the cycle. B. It drops the thermal efficiency of the cycle. C. It improves the thermal efficiency of the cycle. D. It may improve or drop the thermal efficiency of the steam based on point of the extraction of the steam. It drops the thermal efficiency of the cycle because this steam also help for the power generation of the turbine. Question number 46. In a Rankine cycle, the work done by the turbine during expansion of the steam 8 kJ, while the work required for the pump to feed back the water into the boiler 6 kJ. Determine the work ratio. We know that work ratio equal to नेट वर्क बाई टर्बाइन वर्क. ओके, नेट वर्क कितना है? नेट वर्क है 8 किलो जूल एक्सपेंड हुआ, 6 हिट दिया हुआ हो, 8 - 6 तो 2 अपन टर्बाइन कितना वर्क है 8, 2/4 1/4 यानी 0.25। आंसर बी इज द राइट आंसर। Question number 47. In Rankine cycle, the work output from the turbine is given by A. Change of internal energy between inlet and the outlet. B. Change of enthalpy between inlet and outlet. C. Change of entropy between inlet and outlet. D. Change of temperature between inlet and outlet. B. Change in enthalpy between inlet and outlet. Question number 48. Identify the incorrect statement from the following option related to the below statement. Superheated steam is used in the Rankine power cycle. A. Because it increases the work output of the cycle for same pressure limit. B. To reduce the work of pumping. C. Because it increases the cycle efficiency for the same pressure limit. D. Because steam at the exit of the turbine will be less weight, preventing erosion of the turbine blades. B. To reduce the work of the pumping. Question number 49. For the same maximum and the minimum temperature, the Rankine cycle has a higher specific work output than that of the Carnot cycle. B. Equal efficiency to that of the Carnot cycle. C. More efficiency than that of the Carnot cycle. D. Lower specific work output than that of the Carnot cycle. A. Higher specific work output than that of the Carnot cycle. Question number 50. The internal irreversibility of the Rankine cycle is caused by A. Fluid friction, 2. Throttling, 3. Mixing. Fluid friction is called also irreversibility, throttling is irreversible, mixing also irreversible, तीनों ही right। ऐसे ही 1000 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके रखना और एवरी सब्जेक्ट के लिए प्लेलिस्ट पे जाके चेकआउट करो।